You can see here we wait more than 5 minutes. Look at the time, 9:49. Look the bro. Never start the second map. We wait more than 5 minutes. Let me see if I have a one game bite. No, but I send this message to the opponent. Look here, I send invite to like 9:37. I'm on the lobby like 9:14. The opponent never started the second map. Okay. I'm gonna wait.